Okay, so I'm gonna be making different cheese plates, so comment down below what cheeses you wanna see next. First up is one of my favorite cheeses. This is Dinah's. It is made on Vashon Island, which is right off of Seattle, just like a 10-minute ferry ride. This is a camembert style cheese. So it's got that soft, moist inside with that bloomy rind. It's delicious, like just some flaky salt on that. Okay, I'm gonna do 3 components for every cheese board. To build this cheese board, I did some warm candied pecans, finished it off with some of my flaky salt. You can find that in the link down below. And then after that, I just did a little toasty toast on some Japanese milk bread, a little butter, a little toast, put that on the side, same size as the cheese. And there we go. We have a beautiful little cheese plate. Now, I'm gonna be doing 3 components every time, so comment down below what I should do next with what cheese. I love cheese. Cheese. Say cheese.